Welcome back, YouTube. This is your average gamer, and this is another Subway Surfer hack or mod, whatever you want to call it. Credit is due to TCH Killer. Make sure to check out his YouTube channel. And first, I would like to tell you that make sure you have a jailbroken Apple device. And after you have a jailbroken Apple device, go to Cydia. When you get to Cydia, go to Sources. When is this ever going to load? Sorry about my phone. I already had it. I was just making sure. Go to Edit, Add, and put in System. System dot in app store .com slash repo slash. Since I already had it, I'm not going to add it. You will add source and do whatever it tells you to do after that. And you click done. After you click done, click here on the App Store. Click on here in appstore.com. And then go to all packages. When you click on all packages, download local app store. After you download local app store, come back to this video. And then go to the settings and click on local app store. And make sure you enable it. Now we'll go to Subway Surfers. To store. Look. When you click on it, click cancel. Do not put in your password. Just look closely at how many keys I have. It's going to keep on going up. See? I had 140,000 earlier at the start of this video. Now I have 158,000. You can also do it with money too. $101,000,000. Got all this money. Another proof is I'll show you that I have every board. And this is the newest board that just came out. With all the upgrades. Every single character. Except these three. And this is your average gamer. Make sure to go look at TCH Killer video. Credit is due to him. And see you guys when I see you. Peace.